Welcome to today's Tàijíquán Tip. I'm Stephen Watson here with Ed during a session, and we are at Someday Farm. Welcome.
So I think you're a little long and narrow there. So the tip I'll just kind of address to the camera here is when in your form practice, when you have a step, and here we're doing sort of a big exaggerated step, but wherever you have a step, practice setting the foot down and then rewinding the last bit of movement. Right? So in my case, the movement is here and then down. So before it gets any weight, rewind the movement. So if I'm reaching with the heel, for example, then I'm lifting the toes, followed by the heel, and then rewinding. And of course, the rewinding is going to challenge my balance, because for most of us, when we step, we kind of try and go as slow as we can and finish with the ability to share our weight, right before we can't continue to have good balance. So if at the end of the movement I have to kind of rewind back into single weighted leg lifted position, I'm challenging my balance, but I'm also kind of practicing that piece of the thing backwards and forwards. And of course that also allows me to practice the thing over and over if I have that kind of balance, right? So as you go through the form, maybe not everywhere, but in places where you like, when you step, before you give it weight, rewind the step, and then you can just sort of continue through the form if you want. And then when you have a step, before you give it weight, rewind the step. Same pace, same slow, to see what the repeated step will teach you, and see what doing it in reverse will teach you. And it's certainly a nice little challenge, so something to give a try.
Thank you very much for the tips. They really help me stay in business and stay alive. This last one will show you ways to get in touch with me on my link tree. So appreciate all the support and shares. Thank you.